What's up, guys? Joe450 Sports. This is break number 620. Single box of Black Diamond 1516. Here we go. Good luck, bonne chance. Hopefully, pull a diamond rookie. If not, something really nice. So here's the exquisite pack and the Black Diamond, of course. Start with the exquisite bonus pack. Let's see here. I have for the Jets, a Connor Elebrick patch, number 299, three-color patch for the Jets of Elebrick. It's not bad. Let's go with the Black Diamond. Let's hope we pull something really nice here. All right, so go from the back. Okay, from the back we have a Relics. This is the jersey number 125 of Tarasenko. St. Louis Blues Relics. Then base 199 Columbus Blue Jackets of Brendan Dubinsky, Columbus. Then we have a jumbo rookie team logo, Vancouver Canucks, Jake Virtanen. We have a signatures silver on black number 235 of Marc-André Fleury, Pittsburgh Penguins. And our last hit is number 235, nice jersey, Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby, number 235 jersey. So no big rookie, sorry guys, but still a nice box. So thanks again, everybody. See you guys tomorrow.